Good day everyone. We are students from Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng San Pablo, taking Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, and we're from Section 4A Group 3. And let us introduce our device for our design project, entitled eHatch, an Arduino-based incubator for precision temperature and humidity control, egg turning frequency, and short message service notification feature for Kirby's hatchery and poultry supply in the city of San Pablo. We made this device to address the discrete successful hatch rate that can only offer by traditional incubator. This device allows clients to have a user-friendly and highly reconfigurable incubator that can cater a wide range of chicken egg breed.
Here are the components of our device. In control menu, we have 20x4 white on blue LED screen. The interface of our control system providing clear and concise visual on the status and settings of our incubator. Tactile menu switches. Navigate effortlessly through the menu options with our tactile menu switches, ensuring intuitive control over every aspect of the incubation process. Buzzer speaker. Stay informed with our buzzer speaker, alerting users to important notifications and parameter deviation of the incubator.
Now, let's take a look inside the eHatch incubator. First one, we have our incubator features 4 trays of automatic egg turning, providing consistent and gentle rotation to promote healthy embryo development. Connect and secure trays quickly and easily with connection wires and limit switches, ensuring equal angle of egg turning. For greater accuracy, our incubator is equipped with a DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor, providing real-time data for incubation process. Aside from having sensors, this will also monitor environmental conditions with precision using our integrated thermometer and hygrometer, maintaining optimal temperature and humidity levels. The heating element of incubator is composed of incandescent light bulb and ceramic bulb, providing heat needed by the eggs ranging from 37.5 to 37.8 degrees Celsius. To ensure consistent airflow and prevent hot spots with our heavy-duty air circulation fan, creating the ideal airflow and disseminate temperature evenly for incubation success.
Now, let's explore the back components of the device, where essential components support the environmental parameters needed by the eggs. Water container and float bulb. Maintain optimal humidity levels with our water container and float bulb that is connected to external overhead water reservoir, ensuring a constant water supply without repeatedly opening and closing the incubator. Ultrasonic water mister. Provide humidity control with our ultrasonic water mister inside the water container, delivering fine mist to create the optimal environment for eggs. Overflow water hose. Prevent water buildup and ensure efficient electrical safety measure with our overflow water hose that drains excess water in container in case that float bulb fails.
And finally, the control box of the eHatch incubator, where the circuitry and power dissemination take place. Powering the incubator with confidence using AC switching power supply, delivering reliable energy per consistent performance. Stay connected and informed from anywhere with our CM800L version 2 GSM module, enabling remote monitoring and control of incubator per SMS alert and status checking. Expanding I/O pin availabilities with PCF8574 I/O extender, providing additional inputs and outputs for flexibility and future upgrades. Ensure reliable switching for high-powered components with our solid-state relay, delivering precision control without mechanical or moving parts. At the heart of our control system lies the Arduino Nano, serving as the main board of our incubator. With dual microcontrollers working in tandem, we ensure robust performance and enhanced reliability for incubation needs. Our control box features a watchdog mechanism, providing an extra layer of reliability and ensuring continuous operation. With a watchdog overseeing system integrity, you can trust in the stability of a hatch. Ensuring power needed by microcontroller and GSM module, our control box includes a 12 to 5 volt buck converter. This essential component efficiently regulates voltage, providing stable power supply. Maintain optimal airflow and ventilation with our 12-volt exhaust fan, removing excess heat and ensuring an optimal temperature of the entire control box.
Now that you've seen the remarkable components that make up the eHatch incubator, it's time to witness them in action. Join us as we demonstrate the functionality and performance of our innovative incubator. Ensure the eHatch device is placed on a stable and level surface in a suitable location away from direct sunlight. Connect the device to a reliable power source using the provided power cord. Make sure the ventilation holes on the device are closed before powering it on. Press the power button to turn on the eHatch device. Upon powering on, the device will automatically initiate its startup sequence and begin initializing its components. Once the device has booted up, it will send an SMS notification that the device has already booted up. Set and verify the temperature, humidity level, and egg turning frequency are within the desired range for egg incubation, in accordance to the required parameter of the egg's breed. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes for the device to regulate its parameters depending on external environmental condition. Select clean and fertile eggs from healthy breeding stock. Place the eggs into the egg turning trays with the pointy end of egg facing downwards and close the device. The eHatch device will automatically manage temperature and humidity levels within the incubator using dual DHT22 sensors, heating elements, and a humidifier. In case of any deviations from the ideal temperature or humidity range, the device will take corrective actions automatically. Wait for several days until preferred candling day comes. During candling, remove unfertile eggs and dead embryos from the batch to minimize the risk of having contamination inside the device. Place the healthy eggs inside the eHatch. After the 18th day of incubation, on the menu, turn off the egg turning feature and unplug and remove all the egg tray and replace it with hatcher trays. Transfer the eggs from the egg turning trays to their respective hatching mesh trays. Adjust the humidity setting on the device to 70% and close the device. Let the remaining natural hatching process to occur. Once the hatching process is complete, remove the hatched chicks from the device and transfer them to a suitable brooding area. Clean the eHatch device thoroughly to prepare it for future use, ensuring all components are in good condition.